Hi, it's Jen from My Life with the Crazies, and it's time again for Monday Mingle, courtesy of 80 Mile Per Hour Mom. And again, it is Monday morning, and of course, I'm running late and didn't have a chance to put this up last night because we were out late. So I'm going to get right to the questions because I have to go to work. Number one, what three things are on the top of your holiday wish list? I want Shape Up sneakers from Skechers. I found a Juicy Couture pocketbook called The Queen's Garden in a purple leather with grommets, and that's like $350. So that's really top of my list. But I've done a little hinting and the emailing of the links, and I'm hoping he gets the hint on that. And I had originally asked for a Kindle, but that was before I realized you could get the Kindle on the iPhone, and so I now have it on the iPhone and therefore do not need a Kindle. So what else did I ask for? I asked for a steam cleaner for my rugs. I have the people that lived here before us put in white carpeting. I have 2 dogs, 3 kids. Crazy. So I really need a steam cleaner. So that's pretty much it. I'm very boring this year. I want a big chunky silver bracelet from Tiffany's, and we looked at those actually last night while we were in the Providence Place Mall. So maybe I'll get that too. Number 2, what are you doing for the holidays? Any special plans? Christmas Eve, we lay low. I make a big meal. We play the Wii. We hang out with the neighbors, and very low key. And the kids go to bed early. Kylie usually is out her father's side of the family, and then she'll get home around 10 while we're setting up the tree. So Christmas Eve, nothing major. Christmas morning, we get up. We do presents with the kids around 7 here. And then around 8:39, my mother, my stepdad, my sister, her husband, and the baby will come over here. We do a big breakfast, and they get to open gifts with them. Then usually we lay low for the day and just hang out at home. The kids play with their toys. We clean up. We just have a low-key day. We were up at our local mall Saturday and actually noticed that the Alvin and the Chipmunks movie is coming out Christmas Day. So we have some free movie passes, and we actually were just talking about the fact that we might try to do that Christmas Day, because we've never gone to a movie Christmas Day, and we don't have any major plans. The day after Christmas, we'll all trek up to my sister's in Gardner, and that's when we have our big family Christmas. But she has plans with her in-laws and stuff too, so we're all busy. So that's the day that we choose to get together as a family, is the day after Christmas. Number 3, what is your favorite holiday cookie? My grandmother, on my father's side of the family, there were 9 kids, so I have 9 or 8 aunts and uncles. I have like 50-something cousins. So she would make and we go over there every year at Christmas time, and she would make these buttery, sugary, they weren't really a sugar cookie, they're like a butter cookie, but they're paper thin with like flaky layers, and she would ice them and cut them in Christmas shapes and decorate them with sprinkles, and she would make batches and batches and batches of these cookies with 50-something kids running around. You need them, but they were my favorite, and I would leave there with, she knew they were my favorite, and she would make me a big extra bag, and I would take home like a sandwich, a big like Ziploc bag full of them, and I would eat them most likely on the way home every Christmas night and probably be sick because of it. But they were my favorite. Since she has passed on, her daughter, my only living aunt on that side, did get handed down the recipes. She made them maybe 90% of the way. They weren't as perfect as my grandmother's, but they were close. My dad has kind of perfected it over the years, and again, he's like 95% of the way there. I'm like a good 75%. I get the cookie part right, but the icing part isn't as good. So those are my favorite. I wish that she was still alive and she could make me a batch. But I'll settle for my dad's. When he makes them, he sends them down, and they're really good. So that is my favorite sugar cookie. So I am off to get ready for work, and I will catch you guys all next week. Be sure to check out my links from all last week, because I had some great giveaways for my anniversary that aren't ending till this week. And I will catch y'all later. Bye.